How to delete account in Microsoft Authenticator. The first, in this video, I'm going to be providing you a couple of steps. Well, basically, it's just a single step for you to be able to remove your whole account in Microsoft Authenticator. Now, open up the application, and then once you pull up the application, just simply log in or use your pattern or your code for you to be able to sync to your account. Now choose on a specific account where you would like the account to be removed, and then at the top right hand portion of your screen you should be able to see gear icon, and then in there just simply choose on remove account, and then you will be logged out upon removing the current account where you logged in into your Microsoft Authenticator. Choose or tick the box and choose on sign out, and it will automatically be removed into your Microsoft Authenticator app. And that's how you delete account in Microsoft Authenticator.